Yuji Itadori, my brother's killer. I know you're in there.
I have never heard of a Yuji Itadori. Something that I am missing.
And who might you be?
Itachi Uchiha. Get out of my way.
Fine.
I do not have time for this.
I can show you how worthy I am to face you. Bring it.
You insist.
Fight!
Tell me, do you hate?
I hate Yuji Itadori, my brother's killer.
Brother's killer, huh? I guess that's a valid reason. I'll tell you, I do know. I know a lot about brothers.
Shut your mouth! Convergence. Piercing blood. What the hell? Where'd he go? I can't move. Damn it. Fine. Let's go. My vision's getting blurry. What is this guy? Damn it.
You were not worthy of this fight. I'm afraid that I'm going to have to finish this.
Like hell. I won't go down until I kill my brother's killer. I'll show you how worthy I am. I'll take you down, and then take Yuji Itadori down. Right here. Flowing red scale. Stack. How about that? Get on the ground! Who's worthy of this fight now? Answer me. I said answer. What? What? What is this? What's happening? No way.
Now, how about we get this fight started for real? No more games.
Fine. Let the real fight begin.
It now shall start.
God damn it. What is your problem?
You see, you're lacking what truly makes you a brother.
Fine. See how well you think of me after this. How's that for worthy?
Now, you have ruined my hideout. Now I must make you feel the same hatred that I feel right now.
Damn it. Another one. No way.
What's the matter? You said you want to use Itadori, here I am!
I take you down. Right. No.
There's no way.
Just an illusion. You can apologize to my brothers in the afterlife. What is this?
Do you hate me now?
There's no way he's my... No. No. No.
Do you hate me now?
God damn you. Damn you.
What kind of brother are you? Huh? Tell me. That's what this whole fight was about, was it not? You called me a bad brother. Yet I'm not the one who killed my brother. Do you hate me now?
How dare you make me kill my own... Who the hell do you think you
No
are?
brother like you should live. You are a failure to your family.
You made me kill my own brother without me even knowing.
That's not really the answer. Everything you just did isn't real. Wasn't real. Still isn't
Dare
real.
you?
Yet what I'm about to do to you is real.
I'll kill you.
No.
I'll kill you
Who
when
will
you
kill
find
me?
my way to my brother and avenge him.
You're gonna kill me just like you killed your brother?
Shut
How
your mouth.
noble of you.
You know nothing about being an older brother.
I do. And I can tell you I'm far greater than you.
If I can get out of here.
Not noble. Not at all. Guess I should be on my way.
Itachi. I finally come to destroy you.
Sasuke. I did what was best.
KO! Sasuke! Get out of here, you damn morons! You wanna die? Get past these people. So annoying. What do you want? What do you want?
Being here is not safe. I appreciate the effort, kid, but it's not safe. You shall flee with those people.
Listen, I don't know who you are, you bucket of bolts, but if you want to say something, say it to my face.
Look. Okay, man? It isn't safe. Evacuate the area immediately.
You evacuate the area.
You're talking to a real hero. Evacuate now.
Evacuate this!
Deshi no座は譲らんぞ。満足するな。
死ねー